Hi boys and girls, how are you? I thought today we'd play another memory game. I went on a nature walk and I found some things to play our game with. So we have a stick, a bunny. Now obviously I didn't catch a real bunny, but I did see a bunny in our yard, so I'm using this for the bunny. A little bird, a pine cone. This is my heart rock that I found. And one of my favorite flowers, a daffodil. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this little piece of paper is just holding this little bird up. So that's not really part of the game. So we have a stick, a bunny, a bird, a pine cone, a heart rock, and a daffodil. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. I'm going to cover them up, and one by one I'm going to pull something out and see if you can realize what's missing. Okay, are we ready? Here we go. Now everybody, cover those eyes and no peeking. You ready? 1, 2, 3, cover your eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What's missing? Do you know? You're right. It's the most colorful thing in the lineup here. It's the yellow daffodil. Good job. Okay, ready? Cover those eyes and no peeking. Let's see. Okay. What do you think it is? Did you guess? It's a stick. Good job. Okay, here we go again. Let's try it again. Close those eyes. I see somebody peeking. Close them nice and tight. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. What's missing? Can you guess? It was right here. It's the bunny rabbit. You're right. Here it is. Okay, here we go again. Are everyone's eyes shut nice and tight? Okay. Okay. Open. This might be a little bit tricky. What do you think? Did I hear somebody say the heart rock? You're right. Here it is. Okay, here we go again. Cover everything up. Shut those eyes nice and tight. Nice and tight. Okay, you can look. What is missing? I heard it. I heard somebody say the pine cone. Here you go. Okay, let's try again. Here's everything. Cover it up. Okay, open your eyes. What do you think? Did I just hear a little tweet, 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 tweet? You guessed it. It's the little bird. Good job. Okay, for one more thing, I'm going to be really tricky. And I'm going to take 2 things away this time and see if you can guess. Okay, so let's cover everything up. Close those eyes nice and tight. And open your eyes. I took away 2 things. What do you think? Can you guess? One was the stick, and one was the rock, my heart rock. Good job. Okay, one more time, and this one it's going to be really, really tricky. You ready? Close those eyes nice and tight and no peeking. Okay, 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. What's missing? I tricked you. Nothing's missing. I didn't take anything. We still have the stick and the bunny and the bird and the pine cone and the heart rock and the daffodil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things. I love you, my friends. Take care. I miss you so much. Have fun playing the memory game. Bye.